Hey baddies, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be going ahead and cash stuffing my first paycheck for the month of March. This may look weird as a cash stuffing because I'm not adding anything to sinking funds. I'm trying to finish getting my pool paid off as they finished it up, and I need the money to make that payment next week, so I'm gonna go ahead and pay all my bills and stuff in full this week for the contribution of the social payment that I get, and I'm gonna put it towards next week's check so that I can go ahead and pay them off in full. I don't want to finance. So this paycheck is kind of short. It's going to be short and sweet. All I'm really touching is bills, variable expenses, and debt, as well as a few dollars to set aside for savings. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do here is add to my bills. We'll touch on variable expenses in a bit. So for mortgage, we're going to add $1,350. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's $1,350 going towards our mortgage. I am a month ahead on bills, which means I already have all the money for my bills in my bank account. This is pretty much saving for a few months in advance of bills. I deposit this on the first of the month, and then my bills auto draft is normal. Up next for electric, we have $125. Like I mentioned, I'm paying all the bills in full because throughout the month I have some other things I want to do. Typically, I would do a fourth of the amount. Not right now. So we're going to go ahead and go with $125 in electric. For our gas bill, we're going to be adding $130. This isn't normal. This is really abnormal for me to do, but I got some stuff going on that I need to get paid off for my backyard. I'm just tired of it hanging over my back, so this is how I'm budgeting this month. Up next, we have Wi-Fi. So for that one, I'm going to be paying $98. I don't have any ones, so I'm just going to do $100. Up next after that is trash, and we're going to be adding $52 to that one. Again, I didn't have time to go get ones, so we're going to stick with $55. I really wanted this to be a normal month, y'all, but y'all, if you know, you know. This backyard has been stressing me. I'm ready to get it paid. So for security, we're going to add $69. So we're going to go ahead and just add $70 for that. I'm literally stuffing this, and then I'm just going to take it to the bank. For lawn care, I'm actually going to start adding to that one. Just $10. It's almost that time, so I just want to add something when I can. T-Mobile is going to get $145. So $100, $120, $140, $145. Okay, after that is self-lender. I'm not doing that right now. In subscriptions, we're going to be adding $52. Again, no one, so we're just going to do $55. All right, so that's everything for bills, and this is actually outside of the mortgage. This is the full amount for the month. So the only thing I'll have to stuff going forward is my mortgage payment, and it'll work out perfect so I can apply the rest of the money towards the balance for my pool. So up next, we have variable expenses. I think I already unstuffed this. Yes, I did it on video, so that'll be up over on Instagram and TikTok if you are interested. But for gas, we're going to go ahead and add $75, so 50, 60, 75 for gas. Okay, after that is groceries, to which we're going to be adding $200. All right, up next we have spending, and spending is going to get $50 for the week. Hopefully I don't spend that. I'm trying to be good. Y'all want to get this pool paid off so bad. Y'all know I had to pay for it twice. So giving is going to get $10. It already has $10, so I'm not going to add more to it. And out to eat is going to get $50. So we're going to go 20, 40, and 50 for that fund. All right, and the very last one we have here is beauty. And to beauty, I'm going to go ahead and add $20. It'll be time to get my nails done sooner than later. So I want to make sure I'm covered there. And that is everything for my variable expenses. So I'm covered for spending money for the week. I don't have to fast again. Y'all remember I forgot to stuff it last time. Last time I had to cook every day. The worst. So up next is debt payments, but I'll go ahead and do these online. So I'm doing $540 in debt payments towards my Apple credit card and Mohila. And very last here, I'm going to take $100 for my monthly savings challenges, as well as $17 for general savings challenges. I'm just going to do 20 because I don't have ones. So, So this is going to go to the side. So when I do my savings challenge stuffing, that money is dedicated to that. This was pretty quick, all over the place, but I just got the balance. The man's giving me a discount if I can get it paid earlier. So that's what I'm going to do. That's what I'm going to do. So next month, it'll be more of a regular cash stuffing, but that's all I have for today. Again, I am using my Intentionally Rich Planner. These launch on the 22nd. If you're interested, it'll be available. That's all I have for y'all today. Let's see what else I can share. We do have this in a few sizes. So this one is the A4 version. And for these, the covers are removable. We have interchangeable covers. The first 100 people that order will get the covers for free. After that, they're $10 for both sets of covers. Not a huge deal. We have it available in this size, which is A4, which is our largest size, as well as A5. I have one here, but it's not open, which is significantly smaller. For those of you who prefer to like carry one in your purse, we have that for you. It comes, you can upgrade and add a cover onto it. You can also upgrade and get a sticker set. And it's just all over a vibe. It's a really good planner. We really tried to update, elevate everything about it. So I'm super excited to use it to you. I was really hoping it would be an easier month for me to budget, but you know how life is. It is what it is. So here's my monthly overview. As you can see, we added a little color to the inside. There's my monthly budget, which I need to go in and add the landscaping bill to, probably a sinking fund, but I'll do that later. And then again, here's today's budget. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for sticking it out with me. We also got new click clacks, new click clackulators. So these are also available in the shop, as well as our new penny challenge. It comes with this cute bag. Isn't it the bomb? Has a really good zipper, and it's like silicone, really durable, and it stands up. So we have lots of new stuff. We are constantly elevating and trying to update things in the shop. We updated the cash breakdowns and the teller slips so that they are more cohesive and match with your planners and such. So make sure that you check those things out as we add them to the shop, baddiesandbudgets.com. But for now, I'm going to get out of your hair. I actually need to go out there and talk to the contractor. So that's why it's kind of rushed today. I do apologize, but I wanted to get something up this week. So next week, look to a more laxed cash stuffing. But for now, it is what it is. I will see y'all next time. Bye.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull a drop top out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and